compared to like whitewater kayaking, right? It's a lot easier. You don't need to run a shuttle. You don't need all the equipment that you need for kayaking. You grab your board, you grab your wetsuit. It's also spectator friendly, right? So they can go down to the wave, their parents can come and watch. It's just like way more accessible.
I mean, the water moves differently in the river than it does in the ocean, in the river, it's kind of like you're surfing on a treadmill.